Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Discount Tire app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Discount Tire is a mobile app developed to help car owners browse, order, and manage tire and wheel purchases efficiently. The app integrates real-time inventory checks, tire guides, installation scheduling, promotions, loyalty program tracking, and store locator features, all in one place. It also supports order tracking and personalized recommendations for your vehicle. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the clean interface, fast navigation, and helpful features like installation scheduling and loyalty program integration. It allows car owners to track orders, find nearby stores, and make informed tire and wheel decisions on the go. Many also like that the app provides detailed tire guides and product recommendations for different vehicle types. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional syncing delays or limited inventory in certain regions. Certain features may feel less responsive compared to using the website, and some promotions might not be reflected immediately in the app. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Discount Tire app may be worth using if you're a car owner looking for a convenient, mobile-friendly solution for tire and wheel management. It shines in usability, real-time inventory checks, and scheduling convenience. However, if you live in a region with limited coverage or need instant promotion updates, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.